Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. In today's video, I want to give everyone an update on my experiences with the Pixel 6a. I've been using it for about 24 hours, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video I want to discuss my overall experience with the Pixel 6a for the last 24 hours. I want to give you an update. I want to go over some things I don't like about it and some things I do, and just have a discussion with everyone. Y'all let me know if y'all pre-ordered it, and if you're a reviewer and a tech YouTuber, let me know what y'all think about it. But let's get into it. I need to give a shout out again for Team Pixel for actually sending this to me for review. Hashtag gift from Google. Let's talk about some things I don't like about the phone. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is not the display. I know everyone wants to talk about the display, but the options on the home screen and the app drawer. I cannot change the rows that I want. I cannot put 5x6 or 6x6. I cannot change how many apps I have on my home page, which I normally like a 5x5 screen like this. This is the Pixel 6. See, I have I have 5. I don't see that anywhere. Again, is it a deal breaker? No, but it's annoying. It's really, I want at least 5 or 6 rows on there. Maybe they can fix that with an update. It's not a big deal. I understand it. Yes, let's keep it moving. The other thing that I won't say I don't like about it, it's just that the overall feel of the phone, the overall size of the phone is small. I like a bigger phone. I like a bigger display. I like a bigger phone in the hands. Now, does this one make it easy to put in your pocket? Yes. Is it a great panel watching YouTube? Yes, but I still like a bigger phone. I'm coming from the S22 Ultra, the OnePlus 9 Pro, the OnePlus 10 Pro, even the Pixel 6 Pro is a bigger phone. So I wish the phone was just a little bit bigger, but I know a lot of YouTubers out there like this size phone, and that's up to them. Perfectly fine. It is what it is. The other thing I don't like about it is that it does not have wireless charging. I wish it had wireless charging on here, and that way I've been using wireless charging more, especially in my car, because I bought this little accessory that I can wireless charge in there. Also on my nightstand, I've been trying to use it more. I do miss the wireless charging, so that's another thing. It is what it is. It's a $449 phone. They decide not to put it in there for whatever reason. It is what it is, but I do miss wireless charging on there. Also, if you are not a fan of big bezels, then you may not want to get this display, but the flat panel is great. I like the flat panel, but if you don't want to see some bezels at the bottom and some on the side, then this phone may not be for you either. But for me, it's not bad. So let's talk about that beautiful display there. I know, 60 hertz display, it's been everywhere on Twitter. For me, the 60 hertz display, can I notice the difference from my S22 Ultra? Yes, I can notice the difference, but it doesn't make that this is a bad panel. I mean, you can see there it looks pretty smooth. It looks pretty smooth here, not too bad. But here's the biggest thing. We are tech enthusiasts. We have YouTube channels. We watch tech videos. You may not have a YouTube channel. You just enjoy tech. An average person, consumer, does not even care what type of screen it is. I compared my iPhone 13 Pro Max, my daughter has that, with this phone. I let her look at it. I did the same thing I just did there, and she's like, what am I looking for? I'm like, do you see any stutters? Do you see the smoothness? And she's like, why do I care about that? And I explained the 60 hertz to 120 hertz, and she did not care. She's like, Dad, people don't care about that. I'm like, we do. And she goes, yeah, because you're all nerds. And I was like, hey, watch your mouth before I slap you there. But she proved to me that that people just don't care about it. To me, it's not a big deal. I know a lot of people were making a bigger deal about it, but the display, yes, could you do a 2K panel on here with 90 hertz? A lot of people wouldn't even complain about it and probably talk about it, but it's $449. So the display, the 60 hertz thing is not a big deal to me. For me, it is what it is. I don't care, it's $449. If you want to make a big deal about it, go ahead, make a big deal about it. But let's keep this moving. The battery life has been good. Right now I'm at 32%. I did shoot a lot of videos earlier today. I've been watching some YouTube videos. So overall, the battery life should be really good on here. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna update y'all about the battery life in a bit and just let you know what type of battery life I'm getting. As long as I can get through the day without charging it, I'm good. Usually I charge my phones at nighttime or halfway in the day, and I can definitely do. Now, one thing about this, it could charge the phone a little bit quicker. That's one downside that I see on here. It's not as quick as some of the other phones. But again, for the price, you got to make that decision on is it good enough for you. Let's go into the cameras. Hands down, some of the best cameras on here on this phone. I mean, I think this is the best cameras you're going to get for $449. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I know the Nothing phone is out. I know Samsung has some phones out around this price point. Motorola has some phones out around this price point. These cameras on here are good. I will be doing a 4K at 60 video test, which has some other issues come up with that. But y'all let me know. I think the cameras are good. I'm gonna do a photo shoot in a little bit too and just show y'all some photos during the day and nighttime. And maybe I break up the video camera test in a little bit. But overall, the camera so far has been really good too. Now the overall build I talked about is being a small phone, but the overall build quality is really good. I do like the matte finish black aluminum sides, which we still trying to figure out, is this plastic or glass? I seen somewhere it said glass, I seen somewhere it said plastic. I think it's plastic, but I'm not 100% sure. But these cameras on there are legit. And just the overall Google experience on this phone is great. I mean, you get the Google experience, you get all the features on here for $449. So far the last 24 hours, let's wrap this up, has been really good. I'm enjoying the phone. Does it have some hiccups and some little issues I mentioned earlier? Yes, but overall it's been a really good phone for me. Will it stay that way? Hopefully it does. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more updates coming up, maybe like a week later, maybe even 72 hours later. I don't know. Just stay tuned to the channel. You also let me know what type of videos you want to see from me on this device. Again, I will try to make them. Probably will do a gaming review also coming up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 6a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.